Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Next question from the Noble Bishop. Pick the word that has silent letter and underline it. So ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, comb, ago, school, tent. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದೆ? What do you mean by silent letter? The letter which is not pronounced actively in the word is called as silent. ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಕೋಮ್, ಅಗೋ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, tent. Here comb ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, comb ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so B is silent here. So the word comb, it has silent letter in it. Shall I write here comb? Okay, next one. Primary, honest, bat, gay. ನೋಡಿ, primary ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Honest, bat, gain. Okay, here honest ನೋಡಿ, HONEST ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, but we don't pronounce H. It is honest. We read it as honest. Okay, so H is silent here. So honest is the word which has silent H. C. Rhyme, kept, memory, given. Rhyme, kept, memory, given. So ಈ kept ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಾವು ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? All the letters are pronounced in memory also, and given also. In the word given also all the letters are pronounced, but in the word rhyme H is silent again. Okay, so rhyme ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ, rhyme ಅಂತ ಓದೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, rhyme H is silent. So the word which contains silent letter is rhyme. Last one. Long, walk, children, hungry. Listen to the pronunciation. Long. All the letters are pronounced. Walk. We don't pronounce L, isn't it? Walk anta now pronounce madalla. Walk anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. L is silent here. Children, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಟರ್ನು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Hungry, all the letters are pronounced here also. So the word walk contains L which is silent. We do not pronounce L here. Okay, so ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? WALK. Okay, L is silent. Okay children, thank you.